by Beto O'Rourke, right? This dude, the Irishman who pretends to be Hispanic in Texas. Dude's a transracial. Is that what it is? Is that the terminology for this? Transracialism. I could be whatever race I want to be. I want to appropriate the Mexican heritage and pretend that I'm a Hispanic. Is that the right word? Are we just going to use appropriation, or we're going to use trans racism or racialism or whatever you want to call it? Are we going to do that? Is that part of the plus of the LBGTWXYZ? Is that the plus end of it? Because I know that plus stands for other stuff too. Right? We know the plus stands for other stuff. But here we have what we got here is Beto O'Rourke, right? We got Beto, Robert. We just call him Robert. I hate that. We sit there and we play these games. We play these stupid games with the media. This dude says, I want to be called Beto. All right, Beta, right? All right, Beta. No, your name's Robert. Dude, your name's Robert. You're not Beto. You're Robert. You're Robert. You're an Irish dude. You know, just embrace your heritage for once. Just embrace it. Dude, I'm a white dude, man. I come from a millionaire family. I'm not like you because I'm rich. Just embrace it. Embrace it because that's how you act anyway. My name's Beto. I'm Beto O'Rourke. No, dude, you're Robert. Dude, you're Robert. See you later, Link. You're Robert, man. That's all you are. But anyway, this is what they do, right? They come out and they tell you that they're tired of Joe Biden. Joe Biden is doing a bad job, and we need somebody else, right? This is what these people do. And what they're really saying, right? They're not telling you to go vote for Trump, right? They're not telling you to go vote Trump or whatever. They're telling you to go ahead and we want to bring this. Well, Robert here trashes Biden and says Democrats are unexcited that Biden is really failing us. No, you're not. No, you're not. Because you like the policies, Robert. You like the policies. You like the Green New Deal. You like the open border, right? You like that we're sending billions of dollars to all of these foreign nations. You like that we're on the verge of World War III. You like all of that, Robert. You really do. That's what you do. You're a Democrat. You like these are the policies that you advocated for, right? All right. Because if you say we need to secure the border, that's racist. That's racist. You can't say you need to secure the border, right? You can't say that. For whatever reason, you can't say that. You can burn any other flag in the the only flag you can burn here in the United States is the United States American flag. I don't know if you guys knew this or not. We have a story later about that. But the only flag that you can burn in the United States is the United States flag without being sent to prison. You burn any other flag, you will be sent to prison. You will be sent to prison if you burn any other flag. That's just an observation, if you will. Just an observation. Anyway, so this is what he said here. Dude, I don't want to read the story. This guy's just a fake guy. Failed presidential and Senate candidate Robert Beto O'Rourke is talking trash about Joe Biden. According to Robert, Democrats just aren't excited to vote for Biden in 2024. And he even says that Biden is failing Democrats. Dude, no, he's not. He's not failing Democrats. He really isn't. This is what Democrats advocate for every single time. That's what we do. That's what he's advocating for. They advocate for it every single time. Biden isn't failing Democrats. Don't buy into the stupid line that Democrats are going to try to sell you. They're going to act all, but when it comes down to it, vote blue no matter who, right? Vote blue if the dude is blue. The dude could be blue because he's not breathing. But you're going to vote for him anyway, right? The whole Bernie's, weekend at Bernie's, weekend at Biden's, dude, he could be blue and they would vote for him anyway because it doesn't matter for them. All it matters is who's pulling the strings. Who's pulling the strings in this administration, right? We see the tentacles of Barack Hussein Obama all over the Biden regime. We see these individuals who have been closely aligned with Barack Hussein Obama during his regime, right? We saw those players. Now we see those same players behind Biden. It's all the same policies, all the same things that they want is being pushed through Biden. But right now, what they're trying to do is set the stage, right? Not to actually get somebody that's more competent, right? Now, they want to set the stage so they can get somebody like a Gavin Newsom, set the stage to get a Mike Obama, to get a Democrat like Stacey Abrams, right? They want somebody who is going to sit there and push what they want, right? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter for them. So don't fall for these individuals like Beto, like Robert O'Rourke,